SolutionMall provides professional tools, special-purpose industrial equipment, and worker protection solutions for real-world installation, maintenance, repair, shutdown work, field operations, and project procurement. As a solution-oriented B2B platform, SolutionMall supports industrial customers with category guidance, application-based selection, sourcing coordination, and practical supply support for daily operations and project needs. The product scope covers high-voltage insulated tools, hydraulic lifting and force tools, pneumatic and electric power tools, explosion-proof and non-magnetic tools, automotive and general industrial tools, and PPE for safer field operations. For electrical service, switchgear maintenance, panel work, and power utility operations, insulated tools help technicians handle daily tasks with safer contact, better readiness, and practical protection. Hydraulic lifting and force tools provide controlled power for lifting, pulling, pressing, crimping, and cutting, supporting heavy maintenance, cable work, alignment tasks, and shutdown operations. Pneumatic and electric power tools improve productivity in workshops, installation work, construction support, factory maintenance, and repetitive repair tasks where reliable daily performance matters. They are designed for reliable daily performance in repetitive tasks. For hazardous and sensitive work environments, explosion-proof and non-magnetic tools support safer maintenance in oil and gas operations, chemical plants, mining sites, and areas where spark risk or magnetic sensitivity must be controlled. Automotive specialty and general industrial tools support service workshops, fleet maintenance, factory repair, measuring tasks, fastening work, and practical toolbox readiness for daily teams. Worker protection supplies help improve site readiness and safer daily operations across electrical work, factory maintenance, construction support, general field service, and inspection tasks. From requirement review and category matching to product selection, supply coordination, and delivery support, SolutionMall helps customers connect the right tools and protection products with real operational needs.